Let's take a look at this beautiful aviator, the barn owl. Barn owls have remarkable hearing abilities. Their facial disc, the heart-shaped structure around their eyes, helps collect sound, allowing them to locate prey accurately even in complete darkness. They possess specialized feathers that allow them to fly almost silently, giving them an advantage when hunting small rodents in the dark. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals like mice, voles, and shrews, but they can also prey on birds, insects, and even bats. A pair can raise multiple broods in a single year, with clutch sizes ranging from 4 to 7 eggs.